When I first dipped my toes into the wonderful world of programming, specifically web programming, I struggled to understand front-end development. That was before a friend of mine gave me the perfect explanation that got me excited for this wonderful journey. He said to me, think about building a website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as building a house. HTML is both the blueprint and bricklaying of the house for structure. CSS is painting and decorating the house for style, and finally, JavaScript is the internal wiring and plumbing with switches and knobs that brings the house to life in a functional way. A perfect explanation. HTML, an acronym for Hypertext Markup Language, provides the basic structure of a website using tags, also known as HTML elements, which are rendered on browsers. HTML elements hold all necessary information that needs to be conveyed to users. They are also very important for sectioning pages. There are two parts to every HTML file, the head section and the body section. The head section contains information and instructions that are meant for the browser to read. The body section contains what we actually see on our browser. HTML files have a .html extensions to them. CSS is also an acronym. It stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS is the language we use to style HTML documents. CSS files have a .css extension on them and can be imported into the head section of an HTML page. Remember, we use the head section to pass off information to the browser, as I've stated already. CSS describes how elements should be displayed. CSS rules consist of a selector and a declaration block. Selectors point to the elements that we want to manipulate, and declaration blocks contain properties that we use to manipulate those elements. And finally, JavaScript. JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted scripting programming language. JavaScript allows you to update content on a web page without having to reload the entire page. This means you can create interactive elements, animations, and real-time updates. It is often abbreviated as JS, and the extension is in fact .js. JavaScript effectively brings your website to life. And that's all we really have to all of it. Once again, structure, style, and function. These three languages together are the core technologies of the World Wide Web. Pretty much every single website you visit are made up of these.